Hi, I'm Ben Lichtenwalner, the founder of Virtual Leadership Programs, and this is how to handle your feedback response details page. When you come to the page, you'll see here at the very top, there's a couple of options. First of all, you can send details on this particular feedback form, the responses you've received to this particular form, to your coach and get their thoughts on it. Or you can click this link right next to it and send them all your feedback that you've received across all your feedback forms. And they will take a look at that and assess it along with any other details you're willing to share, like your organization's history, mission, vision, and values, or your personality assessment. They'll consider all of that combined and give you some feedback and coaching based on it. Next, you see your assessed person. This should be your email address and the name of the particular feedback form you're looking at. I gave it a nice clear name, like anonymous example, because we wanted to highlight the anonymous example here. And you can see the black bar here is your scale, so that's the maximum possible, 100 points. Looks like I'm killing it. They are effective at problem solving. I'm doing a really good job there. They meet deadlines, doing a really good job there at 91.25%. They work in a manner that is respectful to others. Oof, ouch. Looks like I'm kind of a jerk, actually. Turns out I could really use some improvement with how I respect those I work with. So I've got some areas to focus on there. I should probably ask my coach about it. And then the last bucket, they are completing their tasks effectively, again, doing really well. So it seems like I'm meeting my deadlines, getting my work done really well, but I'm not being very effective at working nicely with those around me. I'm not being very respectful of them. Now, down here, we see the different individual responses specifically, and we can see 75. Because we allowed anonymous, most of the individuals have chosen to remain anonymous. However, this person, this is actually the first name and last name that we gave that individual. So it's Tester, first name, one last name, because we're being really clear and concise there, has chosen to still provide their name. And ooh, look, turns out they gave me the lowest average score. I should probably read the details of their response. So you can click on that and get their comments and things like that. But I've still only got 4 responses, so it'll probably be a good idea for me to gather some more responses. And so I could click right here to gather more feedback.